Hi, welcome back to the Reload Bench. So I said I was going to do a follow-up video about the Armaspec Victory charging handle, and the video consists of a short demonstration performed by Mike Garul, who is the VP of Sales at Armaspec. It was shot in 2019 at NRAAM in Indianapolis, and I think the video speaks for itself. It's short, it's to the point, but it's a really good demonstration. It was enough to convince me to purchase 2 of these charging handles. So here we go.
Hi, I'm the VP of Sales for Armaspec. My name is Mike. We're going to talk about our Victory charging handle. It's designed for the AR-15s. It's got a number of great features. It is truly ambidextrous. It's got center force charging, so all the energy is designed towards the center shaft. When you pull it, fork won't twist. It has excessive gas venting here that drops out the bottom. Oversized stainless steel pivot pins for additional strength. Machined on a solid billet, so it's super strong. Okay. And retail price for $64.95.
Can you show on the rifle here? Okay. Yeah, I really like how it flexes right there. That's really, it helps me get a grip. I've never handled an ambidextrous charging handle before, and I've been kind of shying away from them because of the price. But that one's actually competitively priced compared to some of the other ones, and the grip, I mean.
Well, the nice thing about our center force charging, even if you're left-handed, it doesn't bind, doesn't twist. And one of the features on, if you want to do a single or no-hand charge, you also can do that.